Class 10th Trigonometry Chapter 8 Class 10th Trigonometry Class 8 Basic Concept Trigonometric Ratio of some specific angle. Here we find the value of an angle value of sin theta as a sin 0 cos 0 sin 30 sin 45 etc. etc. So we have start here. Trigonometry ratio ratios of 45. Trigonometry ratio of 45. So we make a triangle, right angle triangle, which make angles. Here this is 90 and 90. This side is A angle is unit and this is also A unit. 90. So we get here this angle is 45 and this also angle 45 degree. 45. Here B, C and A. Here our length AB equal to BC. So AB equal to BC. So we now a right angle triangle here right angle triangle at B angle 90 and angle A is equal to angle C is 45 degree. So here side length AB, let side length AB equal to BC AB length, BC length be A unit. A unit. So here using Pythagoras theorem, so here hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse is AC square, height is CB square plus AB. So here AC square is equal to CB length is A unit and AB length is also A unit. So A हो गया हमारा 2A square, here AC square. So AC is equal to under root 2A square. 2A square आउट हो जाएगा तो रूट 2A. AC length is we find easily root 2A. So here AC length हमने easily find किया. अब here BC length is A unit, AB is equal to A unit and AC also root 2A unit. सो हमने देखा, हमने तीनों साइड निकाल ली. सो वी ब्रेक ए फिगर. दिस इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज 90 and this is 45. This is also 45. Naming is that B C A. This unit is A and this unit is A. So we find sin A angle, which is comes side opposite to angle A oblique hypotenuse. So this is A angle and CB is equal to BC oblique AC. Here sin A is equal to BC length is A is upon में hypotenuse is root 2A, which is equal to BC oblique AC. So ए कैंसिल हो गया, 1/√2. This is sin A angle. So sin A is our, here sin A is equal to sin 45 is equal to 1/√2. This is, here we easily find cos 45 degree. Here side opposite, side adjacent to angle A oblique hypotenuse. So साइड एडजेसेंट हमारा ए के सामने हमारा साइड एडजेसेंट हमारा ए बी ओब्लिक ए सी, यानी कि कोस 45 डिग्री इक्वल टू ए बी oblique ए सी. ए बी लेंथ इज ए and AC length is √2 A. A कैंसिल होता है हमारा, तो आया 1/√2. सो इसी प्रकार tan 45 देखेंगे. tan 45 डिग्री, सो tan 45 degree side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A, which is equal to CB oblique AB. Here CB length is A unit and AB length is A unit. So answer is 1 unit. So tan 45 is 1 unit. So we easily find here sin 45 is equal to 1/√2 and cos 45 1/√2 and tan 45 is equal to 1, and its opposites cosec theta. Here hence sin 45 opposite cos 45, cosec 45 degree √2 sec 45 is equal to √2 and cot 45 is equal to 1. सो साइन का अपोजिट, sin 45 का अपोजिट cos 45, जिसकी वैल्यू हमने √2 cos 45 √2 एंड cot 45 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो हमने इजली फाइंड की वैल्यूज़. अब नेक्स्ट हेयर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, ratios, of 30° and 60°. So we have take equilateral triangle A, B and C. Here this is equilateral triangle. Each angle is 60°. Here let the side of an equilateral triangle be to A. So here A, B, C, AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A, and we have divided half. This is 90, this is also 90, so this angle is 30°, and this is also 30°. So we write here angle ABD 60°, BAD 30°, and ADB 90°. Here construct triangle A, B and C and AD divide length BC. AD length divide BC. So here triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Here ADC angle ABD equal to angle ACD 60°, and angle BAD angle CAD 30° by congruency angle theorem. Triangle ADB congruent है triangle ADC से. So here we find length AD. Here in triangle ADB, A hypotenuse is equal to height plus base. So hypotenuse is AB is equal to height is AD plus BD. AB length is 2A, AD length is and BD is A. So 2 to the 4, A square, 4A square minus A square, AD length. So 3A square is equal to AD square, 3A square is equal to AD. So root 3A is equal to AD. AD length is root 3A. So we see here triangle, this is 60, this is 30, and root 3A, this is A and this is 2A. Naming is that ADB. So we find here sin 30 sin 30. This is side opposite to angle A, and this is side adjacent to angle A. So here sin 30 degree is equal to side opposite to angle A and hypotenuse. Side opposite is sin 30 AD oblique AB. AD is length is A and AB length is 2A. So this is equal to A से A कैंसिल हो गया तो हमारा आ गया 1/2. As you see, same cos 30 is equal to side adjacent to angle A hypotenuse. So here sin 30 साइड एडजेसेंट हमारा रूट 3A है, ऑब्लिक hypotenuse is 2A. Which is equal to cos 30 is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to AD oblique AB, which is equal to comes root 3A oblique to A, which is comes root 3 by 2. This is cos 30 value root 3 by 2. As the same, we find tan 30 side opposite to angle A, side opposite to here, side adjacent to angle A. So here look figure, side opposite to angle A is BD and BD and साइड एडजेसेंट जो है हमारा AD. BD लेंथ इज A और AD लेंथ इज रूट 3 है. सो हेयर tan 30 is equal to BD ऑब्लिक में AD, A ऑब्लिक में रूट 3 है. वी मेक फिगर इजली. Here figure is that A, D, B, 2A and angle A 30. So opposite side is A and this is root 3A. So ED is root 3A. A कैंसिल हो गया तो हमारा 1 by root 3. So we see sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Its opposite angle cosec 30 2 by 1, sec 30 2 by root 3 and cot 30 root 3 by 1. So we easily make it at we see here 60 degree at angle 60 degree. So we make here figure. This is 60 degree root 3A A and 2A. So sin 60 sin 60 side opposite to angle B hypotenuse. So here side opposite B ED oblique में hypotenuse is AB. Look in figure AD and AB. So sin 60 AD by AB. AD is root 3 A oblique A is equal to root 3A. A और hypotenuse is 2A. So A cancel root 3 by 2. As a cos 60 side adjacent to angle B and upon my hypotenuse, which is equal to here BD oblique AB, here BD AB. So cos 60 BD length is A and AB length is 2A, which is cancelled 1 by 2. Here cos 60 is 1 by 2 and tan 60 degree side opposite to angle 60 angle B and side adjacent to angle B, which is equal to here root AD oblique BD. So here AD is root 3 and A, which will cancel root 3A. So this is tan 60 root 3A. So we write here sin 60 cos 60 tan 60. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and tan 60 value is root 3 by 1. Its opposites cosec 60 here sin 60 cos 60 and tan 60 opposite angle cos sin 60 का cosec 60 sec 60 का cos 60 का sec 60 and cot 60. So here sin opposite cosec 60 which is equal to 2 root 3 cos opposite sec 60 which is comes 2 by 1 and tan opposite cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Here third, trigonometry, ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Here ratio 0 degree and 90 degree. The trigonometry ratio ratios angle C if it made smaller and smaller in the right angle triangle, is trigonometry ratios angle C if the made of smaller and smaller. If this is smaller, this is smaller, at last it is a plane AB. Trigonometry ratio angle, right angle triangle ABC till it became 0, angle A is smaller and smaller. Smaller and smaller, the length BC decrease. Every time. So point C is closer to angle A. So we now sin 0 is equal to 0 degree and cos 0 is equal to 1. So here sin A and cos A when A is equal to 0, so tan 0 sin 0 oblique cos 0 is equal to 0 degree and cot 0 degree 1 by tan 0 is equal to infinity. So value we now sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1 and tan 0 is 0 and cosec 0 1 by sin 0. So this is infinity and cosec 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0 1 oblique cos 0 is 1, so this is comes 1, and cot 0 is equal to 1 by tan 0, which is infinity. So we find here cosec 0 is equal to infinity, sec 0 is equal to 1, and cot tan 0 is equal to 0, so cot 1 by tan 0 is equal to infinity. So we easily find the values. Here we make a table. We have learn table here table here, angle A 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, and cot A. Here sin 0 वैल्यू हमने फाइंड की 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Remember it's cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, and this is 1 by root 2, and this is 60 is cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. Here tan theta, tan 0 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, this is tan 45 is 1, tan 60 root 3, and 0 से डिवाइड किया तो नॉट डिफाइंड. cosec साइन का अपोजिट इन्फिनिटी, and cosec 30 opposite sin A 2 by 1, and 45 is value cosec 45 is root 2, and here cosec 2 by root 3, this is sin cosec 90 1 is 1, sec is opposite cos opposite 1, this opposite is 2 by root 3, and this is opposite root 2, and sec 60 is 2 opposite 1 by 2 2, cos a 1 by 2 है तो इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा 2 by 1, and here cos 0 is infinity, cot A tan opposite 0 infinity, and here 1 by root 3 3, and this is 1, and this is 1 by root 3, and this is infinity. So we have easily make the table easily. One check it here. 0 sin 0 0, sin 31 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, 60 root 3 by 2 1, this opposite 1, this root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Cos 0, tan 0 divided 1 0, this is 1 by root 3, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, and tan 90 is equal to infinity. So here 0 opposite infinity, 1 by 2 opposite 2 by 1, 45 is root 2, 60 is 2 by root 3, and 1. Sec theta cos opposite 1 opposite 1, 2 by root 3, and over root 2 sec 45 root 2, sec 60 is 2 by 1, and sec 90 is इन्फिनिटी. कॉट इसी प्रकार कॉट tan का अपोजिट है 0 का लिखता इन्फिनिटी, एंड 1 बाई रूट 3 रूट 3, 1 का अपोजिट 1, 1 बाई रूट 3 इन्फिनिटी. सो हमने टेबल इजीली सीखा हमने. सो मेक इट इजीली. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस videos. Make it easy, understand. Thank you.